Here I have VIVO Y91 and let me show you how to enable here the night mode, the eye protection on the following device. So all you need to do right now is open the home screen. Let's enable the down bar, and here you have to find and select the eye protection, and you can enable the eye protection just by tapping the eye protection and you just turn it on, or you can also here hold down on eye protection for a little bit longer, and here you can manually switch on or switch off this mode. Here you can also set time. For example, you can switch on this mode every day at 8 p.m. and switch it off at 7 a.m. You can also here use the screen color correction right here, or you can simply just disable this mode right here. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.